I'm working from 2019.
I've been working as a corporate professional for the last 7 months.
I've been working since the age of 16, but only recently I started as a corporate professional.
I'm in the corporate world since 3 years. I started as a fresher in social media.
It's been about 4 years.
I'm working under the supervision of a female CEO, and she tried to maintain equality in the workplace. So honestly, so far I didn't face any stereotype being working women.
Discrimination, টিমে কাজ করতে পারবো না, ফিল্ড ওয়ার্কে যেতে পারবো না, ইনাফ কেপেবল না প্রজেক্টে নিজের ইনপুট দেওয়ার জন্য. I faced a lot of stereotypes like this, but I learned to overcome them.
So when I switched to the corporate side of the learning and development industry, I was basically put in the middle to talk to every client and go to trainings and do all sorts of stuff. So I had to overcome that.
I learned to communicate with people. আমাকে প্রতিদিন অনেক মানুষের সাথে কথা বলতে হয়। আমি শিখেছি কিভাবে তাদের সাথে কথা বলতে হয়, তাদেরকে কনভিন্স করতে হয়, বা একটা ওয়ার্কিং কালচারে কিভাবে নিজেকে ম্যাচ আপ করতে হয়। সবকিছুই আমার শেখার মধ্যে ছিল। সাথে সাথে আমাকে আমার সফটওয়্যার স্কিল ডেভেলপ করতে হয়েছে।
I do want more women to be joining the field jobs, field works, and sales jobs, sales positions, and the top level positions. And I do want to become like a role model for them, and I want to motivate them. যতটুকুই আমার পক্ষে possible.
My daughter is an everyday. I strive to be the best.
It would definitely come from my mother, who has been a corporate individual for her whole life. She has taught me the importance of female independence in terms of finance and education.
My motivation and inspiration would be my sister, because currently she is one of the director of the company.
My inspiration or motivation is my parents and my family. They always told me to be an independent woman. My father gave me the wings, and my husband allowed me to fly in the unlimited sky.